In the chain of jewelry supply, mining has been an integral part for decades. Consumers today want sustainability and transparency from the brands they buy, support, and believe in. It's essential for jewelry stays on top of this. Modern luxury consumers are curious about everything about the products. Transparency is now in demand. Although the jewelry industry remains far behind other industries in terms of sustainability, for example fashion, it has started to become more agile. It is becoming more responsive to demands for greener, fairer processes. The industry is being encouraged to engage in responsible sourcing by human rights councils and organizations. To progress in the journey towards sustainability, we must move towards recycled silver as a jewelry manufacturer. Now, we are able to create a beautifully crafted jewelry from 100% recycled silver. Recycling silver helps reduce the number of metals that are produced. Consequently, less waste will end up in landfills and natural resources will be conserved. The mining of silver has a significant impact on the environment. Erosion and contamination of groundwater result from it. In water, mercury and cyanide are commonly found in high concentrations. The health of humans and animals is greatly impacted by this substance. The supplier of a recycled silver purchases silver from previously owned jewelry, industrial metals, and electronic components worldwide. Through a process of scrap refining, unwanted precious metal is purified and then transformed into new silver through casting grains. Afterward, the silver can be recast into new silver jewelry in our production plant. We work with a silver refiner that is listed on LBMA's London Bullion Market Association Good Delivery List, an authority on precious metals. Also, as Cattivo Jewelry does, they are a certified member of the Responsible Jewelry Council, RJC. We are determined to provide ethical and sustainable materials for jewelry. Take part in this movement now and be a responsible jewelrier. Contact us so we can contribute in your sustainability journey. Act fast because we don't have a planet B. We have experts who can tell you more about this new material, so you can do your next jewelry order with us. Visit our website or follow us on social media for more information. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the next video.